More people are overweight than ever before. In fact, there is a global obesity epidemic. Many Americans, in particular, are trying to shed excess pounds of fat and get themselves into healthy shape. Before starting a weight loss program, it is important to educate yourself and learn what does and does not work. This article is filled with effective weight loss tips. If you want to learn a simple morning habit that helped a mother flatten her belly, read our description. When you are having a sandwich, switching the mayonnaise for mustard will help you lose weight. Mustard has much less fat and calories than mayonnaise, and it is available in all sorts of varieties. It is a simple switch you can make that will save you a lot of calories over time. If you are looking for a sweet treat without all the sugar, then you should try adding a dash of cinnamon to your favorite fruit. This gives the fruit a rich desert feel without all of the sugar. Have your cake and eat it too when you make your fruits a desert. Give yourself permission to enjoy your favorite but fattening foods in moderation. Completely denying yourself is a sure way to sabotage your weight loss plans. Instead, have a small slice of cheesecake as a reward or treat. By sampling your favorites, you are less likely to give in to the urge to binge on fattening foods. Don't cut yourself off from fun with friends and family for the sake of your diet. It is a realistic scenario that you will end up on an outing to a restaurant at some point in your diet. Choose wisely when you end up looking at a menu. Look for foods that are low in fat and calories. Always try to keep sugarless gum available. Chewing gum can help suppress your hungry feeling very easily. In some cases, you actually are not hungry, your mouth is just looking for something to do. If you do not like chewing gum, try finding sugarless hard candy that you can use to keep your mouth occupied. Avoid the afternoon sugar slump. Many people tend to get hungry mid-afternoon and they often reach for a sugary snack or candy. While this gives an immediate bump in energy levels, it doesn't last for very long, causing you to be even hungrier. When that mid-afternoon craving comes along, have a supply of fresh fruit nearby to satiate your hunger. Eat when you are really hungry and not just because you are craving something or think you are hungry. You want to hear your stomach grumble a bit before deciding it is meal time, as this ensures that you are truly hungry and are now eating for nourishment and not indulgence. Breakfast is an extremely important meal and should not be skipped. The ideal meal plan for someone trying to lose weight is a nice breakfast and dinner and 4 light snacks. 3 snacks in between breakfast and dinner and 1 before bedtime. The idea of eating 6 times a day is to space out the food intake to ensure that you will not feel hungry and you will burn off the food faster. Keep a food diary. This is a great way to show yourself how much food you actually eat throughout the day. Your food record does not have to be complicated. Research shows that those who simply wrote down the size of their meals showed as much success in weight loss as those who were more detailed. As was talked about in the beginning of this article, more people are currently overweight than at any other time in history. Obesity is an epidemic, and in order to live long, healthy lives, it is essential that overweight people learn to eat properly and lose the excess weight. Applying the advice in this article is a surefire way to start losing some of that extra weight.